Let's see if we can pull him on out a little bit. I don't want to break the umbilical cord like I did last time. Hello, little guy. Oh, yeah.
Here's number 2.
Let's just let her work it a little bit.
This is going to be the yellow one. Is it a male? Female?
Don't know yet. Don't know yet. We don't. Good girl, Muff. Let me see if I can get. She needs to have a contraction to deliver the rest. Otherwise, oh baby, yeah, you like that? Oh, just like your mom. You like a good rub. Yeah, good girl. Let her go ahead and work on it. Don't stop her from licking it. She needs to. There we go.
Here's number 2. And this is, looks like a female.
I think so. Hang on.
Looks like a little female.
Yeah, it's a little girl.
It's a little girl. Number 2 is a little girl. She's yellow.
We got a girl and a boy.
All right.
You want to weigh her? Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Okay. We're weighing
Number 2.
number 2. Silly scale. Doesn't work as well. Okay. I got a plastic bag for the placentas.
Here's
Oh, look at the water. Oh, the membrane's great. Okay.
number 3.
Okay. It's a little wet. Yeah. I'm going to give him just a... He likes that. He's sucking on it. Yeah. Okay, sweetie, come on. You look good. Good girl, Mom. Wow. Well, why don't you give me a call when you're, ready to head out, and we'll just kind of see what stage we're in, because, if they've all been born and she's like nursing, then that'd be great. While she's in labor, I'm trying to keep. Wow.